What's up, y'all? It's Jullien from the Multifamily Movement, aka your property brother, aka Mr. Multifamily. I told you that I recently closed, and this is a beautiful property behind me. It's a little bit further out than I'm normally accustomed to, but the deal was so good, and I moved on it quickly, and I was able to get it. It has 3 occupied units. It's a fourplex, and it has 3 occupied units. 1 unit is unoccupied. It's ready to go. There's nothing we have to do in there. We just got to get a tenant. So I'm really excited. Now, multifamily real estate is so simple. It's simple and then it's not. Okay. But when you compare it to the other types of assets out there, there's not that many moving parts. It's pretty straightforward, right? Do the rents, cover the mortgage, as well as the maintenance that you'll need over the life of this asset. Whereas when you're investing in stocks and other things like that, you have absolutely no control whatsoever. With multifamily real estate, I literally only saw this property one time when I decided to buy it. And in fact, I put in my offer before I even saw it, because I just knew it was a great deal just off the bat. And then I always have exits if I get into something and it's not going to work out. So I didn't even see it. I put in the offer. I visited it once, right? Got to take a tour of it after my offer was in and accepted. Okay. And then from there, I got to see it during the property inspection. And today is my 3rd time seeing this property, this asset. It's only my 3rd time seeing it, right? Now, if you're going to go buy a business or something like that, you're going to have to go look at the financials. You're going to have to look at human resources. You're going to have to look at their customer acquisition strategy. You have to examine leadership. There's all kinds of moving pieces. Multifamily real estate is pretty straightforward. Now, when you're evaluating a multifamily deal, it's different than a single-family home. Single-family home buyers, they are making decisions based on emotion, whereas a multifamily buyers, they're doing it based on economics. Single-family home buyers, they're looking for granite countertops. Multifamily buyers, they're looking for guaranteed cash flow. Single-family home buyers, they're looking for a place to call home. As a multifamily home buyer, I'm actually looking for a place for other people to call home. So it's completely different. A single family, you say, here's the price and can I afford it? That's it. But with multifamily real estate, there's actually 23 different numbers that you need to take into account to make sure that it makes economic sense to acquire a property. I ran those numbers in less than 10 minutes using a tool that I created, and I knew right away that it was a good decision. And so I'm excited to have it now. I'm just coming to check out the unit, take some pictures to get that apartment downstairs listed and get the full cash flow and potential from this particular asset. So I just wanted to bring y'all on the journey. I'm having a webinar coming up soon at multifamilymasterplan.com. Again, that's multifamilymasterplan.com. I'm going to teach you how to finance, find, and finalize multifamily real estate deals. I'm 10 deep now. I got 27 doors, 3 different states across the country, and it's working, y'all. It's working. And I started this all part-time, right? And it's still part-time for me. I got my business at the Freedom School, where I teach financial literacy and entrepreneurship. And this is where I was actually pouring money and profits from that business to create more residual income. Even as an entrepreneur, you can still have active income. And I knew I wanted to take some of that active income that I generated and actually turn that into passive or semi-passive income. Once we get this rented, actually my property manager, he's going to get this rented. He's going to take care of this particular property. There's other properties that I choose to take care of because they're closer to me and they're easy. This one's a little bit further out, and it's going to involve a different type of tenant because of where it's located. But at the end of the day, it still cash flows. We'll probably have Section 8 for it, which is great. I have amazing Section 8 tenants. So if you have any assumptions or negative stereotypes about Section 8, just release those. You can choose who you choose. You can have people who are not Section 8 and they can be bad tenants. Okay, so just let that go. So just wanted to take y'all on the journey. I'm so excited about it. The past owner, I met her at closing, and she took a lot of care of this property. When you compare it to the other properties that look like it in the neighborhood, this one is bar none. Okay, so with that, I'm gonna say goodbye. Again, got a webinar coming up, multifamilymasterplan.com. Check it out, and I will see you soon. Much love. Peace.